Okay, we are at 6503 Gray Street in Arvada. The source code is performing from the double sweep cleanout. There's the CD top connection. We're checking this main sewer line after repair. Okay, we are at 40 feet. There's the CD top connection. Okay, we're running water. Actually, we're checking this main sewer line after repair. We have a good transition. No more problems in the line. The line looks in good working conditions. Okay, there's another transition. Looks pretty good. Good flowing in the line. Okay, so now let's check it out towards the house. There's a transition. There's a cast iron pipe. Alright, thank you for watching.